So my dears, now you know how to make a 4-digit number using these given digits, isn't it? So now I am going to ask you a question. What is the greatest number you can get? How to find out that? Is it need to check here in the set of numbers to find out the greatest one? No need. You just look at the digits, given digits, and arrange these digits in descending order to get the bigger number. That means 8, 7, 5, 3. That is 8753 is the greatest number we can form by using these digits. Okay, so you can write that. Now you tell me which is the smallest number you can make by using these digits. Yes, to get the answer you can arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, so 3, 5, 7, 8. 3, 5, 7, 8. That is 3578 is the smallest number you can make by using these digits. Got it, children? Okay, so now let's move to some another questions. Look here. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. This is from our textbook. Try this exercise. So everyone look here. Here the question is, you make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using these given digits. So we know how to find out the greatest digit. Yes, by arranging these digits in descending order, we will get the greatest number. So first one will be 8, 7, 4, then 2. That means 8742 is the greatest number and the smallest is 2478. 2478. Arrange the digits in ascending order to get the smallest number. Okay, children, so you will get the answer like this. Now B part question. 9741. These all are the digits. So arrange it in descending order to get the largest number. That is 9741. That is 9741 is the largest number and 1479 is the smallest number. Got it, children? Now look at the C part question. Here it is 4750. Okay, here you have to remember one thing, the number 0 is coming. So when you are making the smallest number, we cannot write the number 0 in the first position. 0 is the smallest number here, but we can't arrange the number 0 in the first position. If we are writing 0 in the first position, then the number will become a 3-digit number. So when a 0 comes, you have to put the number 0 in the second position. Okay, always remember, if the 0 is here in your question, then when you are making the smallest number, you put the 0 in the second position. Okay, so the smallest number will be, we cannot write 0547, we can write 4057. Okay, 4057, that is 4057. That will be the smallest number. And the greatest number we can write, that by arranging these digits in the descending order, you can write, that is 7540, that is 7540 is the greatest number. Okay, dears, so keep in mind, when the 0 comes and when you are arranging the number to get a smallest number, you put the 0 in the second position. Okay. Now, next question. It is the D part question. 1762. Okay, here you arrange these numbers in ascending order to get the small one and descending order to get the largest number. So here it is 7621, that is 7621 is the greatest number, and then 1267, that is 1267 is the smallest number. Now next one, it is 5430, that is 5430 is the greatest number, and the smallest one, yes, 0345. That way we cannot write because that will be a 3-digit number. So 3045, that is 3045 is the smallest number. Got it, children? Okay, now let's move to the next question. Now make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers by using any one digit twice. Here we have to make a 4-digit number and only 3 digits are given. So you can make any one digit twice. You can use any one digit twice. That means 2 times you can use any one digit. Okay. So look at the first one, 387. Here, to get the greatest number, you repeat the greatest digit twice. Okay. That means here 8 is the greatest digit, right? So you can repeat the digit 8 2 times. That is 8873. 8873 will be the greatest number. Okay. And to get the smallest number, you can repeat the smallest number. That is here the smallest digit is 3. So you can repeat the number 3 twice and then you can write it. That is 3378. Okay, that is 3378 is the smallest number. Got it? Now look at the next one, 905. Okay, here you can repeat the number 9 twice. Okay, that is 9950. That is 9950 is the greatest number, and the smallest number is, we know we cannot start with 0. So you have to put the number 0 in the second position always. Okay, when you are writing the smallest number. So first I am writing 5 and the smallest number is 0. So you can repeat the number 0 twice. So 5009. That is 5009 is the answer. Got it, children? Now next is 049. Okay, so 9940 will be the greatest number. That is 9940 is the greatest number. Then 4, we cannot start with 0. So 4009. That is 4009 is the smallest number. Got it, children? Now look at the next one, 851. Here 8 is the bigger number, so you can repeat the number 8 again. That is 8851. That is 8851 is the greatest number. And 1. Here the smallest number is 1. So you can repeat the number 1. 1158. That is 1158 is the smallest number. Got it, children? Okay. Now we are moving to the next question. Okay. Here, make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digits with conditions as given. So here, you, according to the given conditions, you have to form the numbers. Got it? Look here, digit 7 is always at 1's place. So, greatest number. So, first you write 7 in the 1's place. Then, arrange the other numbers to get the greatest number. Okay. So, accordingly we can write 7, then 6, 8, 9. The bigger digit we can write first, that is 9. After that 8. After that 6.